Hey there, plant lovers and side hustle enthusiasts. Want to turn your green thumb into green cash? Here's how to use AI to earn passive income, no gardening experience needed. That's right, we're about to dive into the world of making money online by selling personalized, AI-powered plant care guides. So, let's get growing. Gardening is booming like never before, with millions of people seeking customized plant care advice. But here's the problem. Most plant guides out there are outdated or one-size-fits-all. That's where you come in, armed with the power of AI. Imagine generating tailored, up-to-date, super-targeted care guides in minutes. It's not just possible, it's your ticket to a thriving online business. Let's talk tools. First up, we've got ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, take your pick. These AI powerhouses can whip up custom plant care schedules faster than you can say photosynthesis. Watch this. I'll show you a quick demo of prompting for a personalized care routine for, say, a finicky fiddle leaf fig. Amazing, right? But we're not stopping there. Pair that AI-generated wisdom with a plant ID app like Plantix for spot-on diagnostics and recommendations. Got a yellowing leaf or mysterious spots? Snap a pic and you've got expert-level problem-solving at your fingertips. Now, let's make those guides look pro. Enter Canva, your secret weapon for creating stunning digital guides and ebooks that'll have plant parents drooling. And here's a bonus tip. Use AI chatbots to automate reminders, monthly tips, and troubleshooting. Your customers will feel like they've got a pocket botanist on speed dial. Alright, let's talk money. How do you turn all this plant wisdom into cold, hard cash? First stop, digital marketplaces, Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Pick your platform and start selling those guides. I'll walk you through a step-by-step demo to get your first product live, but why stop at one-time sales? Offer subscription-based plant care for that sweet, recurring passive income. Imagine waking up to new subscribers every day, all hungry for your AI-powered plant advice. And for those VIP clients, upsell one-on-one plant consults or premium care bundles. Here's a pro tip. Embed affiliate links for gardening tools, soil, and lighting in your guides. Every time someone clicks and buys, cha-ching. You're earning commissions without lifting a finger. Now, let's get those plant guides in front of eager eyes. It's time to harness the power of social media. Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, these are your new best friends for driving targeted traffic. Create eye-catching posts showcasing your guides and watch the plant lovers flock to your digital doorstep. Want to build your email list? Offer a freebie like top 10 houseplant care mistakes addition to capture those valuable email addresses. Then keep building your authority by sharing results, testimonials, and jaw-dropping plant transformations. Before you know it, you'll be the go-to guru for AI-powered plant care. Still not convinced? Let me share some success stories that'll make your eyes pop. We're talking real-world examples of creators earning over $1,000 monthly just from selling these guides. Let's break down the potential earnings and time investment. Spoiler alert, the numbers are juicy. And the best part, anyone can do this. The AI does all the heavy lifting. Ready to jump in? Here's your quick start blueprint. First, choose your plant niche. Maybe you're all about succulents, or perhaps tropical plants are your jam. Whatever it is, get specific. Next, fire up that AI and generate your first guide. Format it to perfection, upload it to your chosen platform, and start promoting like crazy. Then rinse, repeat, and watch your business grow faster than a bamboo shoot. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But trust me, with a little effort and the magic of AI, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Remember, you don't need to be a master gardener or a tech wizard. The AI handles the expertise, and you bring the hustle. Imagine waking up to sales notifications, knowing that while you slept, your AI-powered guides were helping plant lovers around the world. That's the power of passive income, my friends. And the best part, as your business grows, so does your impact. You're not just helping plants thrive, you're helping people connect with nature, reduce stress, and create beautiful living spaces. But don't just take my word for it. I want you to experience this for yourself. That's why I'm offering a free starter kit to help you hit the ground running. Inside, you'll find templates, prompts, and insider tips to kickstart your AI plant guide empire. Plus, when you download, you'll get exclusive access to our AI Cashflow Lab community. It's packed with fellow entrepreneurs sharing their secrets and cheering each other on. So, are you ready to grow rich with AI? Here's what I want you to do right now. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite plant. Let's see how many fellow plant enthusiasts we've got in the house. Remember, this is just the beginning. In our next episode, we'll dive even deeper into scaling your plant guide business and exploring new AI-powered niches. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this thought. Don't just grow plants, grow your wealth. With AI as your secret weapon, the possibilities are endless. So get out there, start creating, and watch your passive income flourish like a well-tended garden. Ready to turn those green leaves into greenbacks? Download our free starter kit now and join the AI Cashflow Lab community for more side hustle secrets. The link is in the description below. Alright, plant lovers and future millionaires, that's all for today. Remember, in the world of AI and plants, the sky's the limit. Keep nurturing those dreams, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay green and keep growing that wealth.